In this section, I'm going to see how to use the concatenate function. Now, I'll click here on cell B6, and I go to formulas in the normal way, go to text, and if you scroll down, sometimes you'll see concatenate depending on your version of Office, otherwise concat, the same thing. So if I click on here, this is the concatenate function, and what I need to do, where it says text 1, I just simply click here to specify cell A1, then I click here and grab the next piece of text, then I click here, grab the next piece of text, then I click here and grab the next piece of text. So what it's going to do, it's going to concatenate all these together. Concatenate is just a long way of saying join, so it'll join the contents of this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell, and display them here. So I click on OK, and there we go. If we look at the syntax here, it's concat, and then A1, A2, A3, A4, So that's how you use the it's hard to say. That's how you use the concatenate function, and that's how you can join items of text together.